Welcome back to the Side 9 Homestead. We were out of town for a few days, so we went out and did a quick garden harvest and thought we would show you what all we found, plus a big surprise at the end, so stay tuned. So you can see we have had a banner year with butternut squash. Ironically, we were hoping that this was supposed to be spaghetti squash, but you know, sometimes seeds get messed up, plants get messed up and crossed and whatever, but anyway, we ended up with a ton of butternut squash. So I'm on the prowl for recipes, so if you have any, put them in the comments so that I know what the heck to do with these. This has got to be at least 10 pounds. Okay, so I have several of those. We have two little baby spaghetti squash. The spaghetti squash didn't do too well this year. We tried to grow it in containers and just let it kind of vine, but they need to go in the ground. That'll be better. A bunch of cherry tomatoes. We're having a rough time with our regular tomatoes with some issues with bugs and things like that this year. I did get 3 eggplants, so we'll have to come up with something for dinner for that this week. And our pride and joy, all of these cabbages. This is the first year growing the purple cabbages, so I'm excited to do that. I want to show you one thing that I did right before we left. We had picked one of our green cabbages, and I decided to make our own sauerkraut with it. So it's probably about ready. I'm going to put it in the fridge, put a regular lid on it. This has like an airlock lid so it can ferment. So it's been there about a week, so it should be ready. So we're going to put that in the fridge and we'll enjoy it later. Okay, the biggest thing that we found. Ta-da! Our first 2 eggs. Look how little they are. They're so cute. We're still trying to figure out which one, if there's 1 or 2 different chickens that are laying. One was actually in the nesting boxes and one was out in the run. So we'll see. They need to be trained a little bit better with that. But we're excited. We have our first 2 eggs. All right, well, we appreciate you watching our videos. If you like them, please like, subscribe to our channel. Any comments that you have or any tips about the butternut squash or even cabbages or any of the goodies that you see today, please put them in the comments and we'll get back to you.
Okay, fine. Whenever you're ready.